So Felicia, what did Mr. Gomez test positive for?
Judge, the results came back presumptively for THC and cocaine.
Unacceptable. I am now, you have a bond violation for tampering with your device. I now send you for a drug test. You test positive for cocaine and THC. Nope. Goes with you.
Judge, if I
This is the turning point. Once cocaine shows up, the judge can't ignore it. Bond conditions are strict for a reason. Quick poll. Do you think bond revocation is too harsh here, or is the judge right to cut it off immediately?
may I make some argument, Judge? Okay. Judge, so he is a plumber. Part of his duties as a plumber is sometimes he has to work in water. Because he has a device, he has to wear long rubber boots. The day of the tamper was a Tuesday, and it was during work hours. The time of the tamper, the alleged tamper was during work hours. He claims that he received notifications that the battery wasn't working, that he took it to Sentinel and Sentinel replaced it. We tried to verify that. We were not able to verify that with Sentinel. However, despite that, I believe that maybe those rubber boots that he had to wear that day because he was submerged in water at that point, probably had something to do with the device not reading appropriately. I mean, they're big rubber boots that are waterproof. In addition to that, Judge, he is a father. He has a 1 year old, 1 year, 4-month-old, and the mother of the child that are dependent on him. He is the primary provider for the family. I've admonished him that he is not to do anything, no drugs, no alcohol, no nothing, can't mess with his device. If anything ever comes up again with his device where he has to go in, he needs to notify me. So Judge, we'll just be asking for him not to be revoked at this time and give him another opportunity. If the court would like to do
Not
that.
gonna do it, right? He's testing positive for cocaine. I've ordered him not to use at all. I'm sorry. No.
If the court would like to do random UAs instead, Your Honor.
Or just what we're doing now. Goes with you. Your bond is revoked. Sorry, Ray. I can't. I mean, I was prepared to do that with that, but you're testing positive for cocaine. Unacceptable. I can't just let you go with that.
Yes, sir.
No, because then I become the enabler and I'm telling you, hey, man, it's okay for you to use. And it's not. No. I love you, Ray, but.
He's just gonna get a nice hold and.
Well, I don't know that, but hey, this is a second DWI. You already have a bond violation and now you're using? I mean, I can't just continue. I get it. He has to understand that actions have consequences. This is not our first rodeo. It's a second DWI and he's using?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Okay. 5,000. Tony, ready.
Custody case.
Okay. Deputy Chigoin, do you mind helping me out? I need someone brought out in bad.
No, that's not right. Check. I'm sorry. Who's the plan? I don't even have your signature. Go ahead. I know.
I granted your withdrawal on the other one.
I'm sorry.
I granted your withdrawal.
Okay, thank you. That's what we spoke about.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is with a new, Montoya. Okay. Come on up, Mr. Montoya. Thanks. Mr. Montoya, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 50 days in jail with credit for the 50 days that you've done.
Yes.
Oh, he has another DWI. Did you see that?
Well, there's a question whether it's in.
So Freestone County has a hold on this gentleman for a DWI above a .15.
He doesn't acknowledge that, Judge.
He has a prior DWI from the same place. You need to realize something, Mr. Montoya, that this now may very well be your second DWI conviction because you're pleading guilty to this DWI. Once you have 2 DWIs, when you pick up a third, you're looking at a third-degree felony, 2 to 10 in the penitentiary. Is that what it's going to take? Prison time? Some people only learn the hard way.
En la penitencia dicen, hay unas personas que
Is what it's going to take. Watch the news. Every single day in our county here, someone dies from a DWI when it is extremely easy. One button on a phone,
un botón es muy
an Uber will take you wherever you need to go for $30 freaking dollars.
$40.
From now on, you may be very well facing up to 10 years in prison, even with a sip of alcohol because of your record.
Por su experiencia
You give
criminal.
up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your natural-born life.
Hasta todo su vida.
Do you understand?
¿Lo entiende? Yes.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty?
Culpable o no culpable.
This is where the stakes skyrocket. 2 DWIs already, and one more could mean a felony with up to 10 years in prison. Serious question, do longer sentences actually prevent repeat DWIs, or are they just damage control after the fact?
Guilty.
Don't kill anyone. That's all we're asking. Don't kill anyone. We have enough death on the streets as it is. You have a DWI here, you have another one open somewhere else. You have one from last year. What's it going to take?
Uno del año pasado.
I'm suspending your license. Is this pled as a first or is it pled as a second? I'm suspending your license for a year. Do not drive. Stop driving.
Deja de manejar.
Pled as a first investigation.
I'm not asking for much, man. Really.
De verdad.
Good luck to you, man.
Suerte, sí.
Nice sort of judge.
Una prisión obligatoria.
He still has another DWI in another county, man. Really.
Driver's license official.
1 year. Ricardo,
Yes, Judge.
you okay?
Yeah, just a long day.
I feel your pain.
Yeah.
You did? Okay. Maybe not just what you guys like. We're baby. No, we're two brown people. Brown people.
Hey,
Yeah,
on Newton, are you ready?
I'm ready on the call. I just need
Mr. Pons, you ready?
Just check with the clerk and I.
It hasn't been called. No.
Miss New.
Which is great.
Marvin.
If he needs more time.
Okay.
No, I think
We
we're,
call him up. I just need to we'll change the names because we're doing a name change.
but what about Newton? Are you ready?
On Newton, yes.
Can we bring her up?
Yeah.
Miss Newton, come up.
What's his name?
Yes.
Are you here?
And when you start talking, yes. No.
That's hilarious.
Most of, you know the reason why that is, right? So it tells him he's
Extremely young judgment to be corrected. I'm gonna send this course
She's
directly.
pleading the one and this, that's it.
That's all. All in one point.
That-
So, they want you up there, it's what?
Oh,
Oh, no, Miss Newton, you here, you over there. Come up, ma'am.
oh.
Mr. Pons, you ready?
Wait. I need to sign, here to sign on the plea.
Okay, let me get it done and then I'll bring her up. Okay. And is this one not, this one's not even on the docket, I guess, right?
It's on the docket. Oh, that one case is not on the docket, yeah. Sorry about that.
Okay.
It just feels good.
What are you?
I am sorry, and it's a feeling.
Miss Williams, or what is your true name?
It's Williams Newton. Thank you. I brought my ID.
Yeah, I gave him his ID, her ID.
I do use Newton.
It's Williams.
So it says Chrysanthia
Williams Newton.
Williams Newton.
Newton.
Okay, so we'll do a name change to that, whatever that ID says.
Okay.
You are charged with 4 counts of, I'm sorry, with, is it 2 counts of theft?
3 counts of theft, 1
Counts
failure
of
to ID.
1 failure to identify oneself, giving fictitious information. You need to understand, ma'am, is that when you have multiple thefts, at some point, they're going to hit you with a felony and you're looking at days instead of years. The agreement that you've worked out is they're going to dismiss 3 of the cases for your plea on 1. You have 1 prior theft, and it's very possible your next one may land you in felony court where you're looking at years instead of days. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record and you can never take it off. Do you understand? Like I said, 2 thefts plus when you get a new charge, a 3rd one, you're looking at a felony charge. Do you understand? They can use this to enhance your punishment. Not only that, from now on, you're looking at a minimum of 90 days in here for any new cases that you pick up. You understand? Do you still want to do this?
Yes.
How to plead to the officer?
Classic example of escalation in criminal law. Multiple misdemeanors might seem small, but stack them, and suddenly it's felony territory. Do you think petty theft should lead to prison time, or is the system too unforgiving here?
Of theft, man. Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty, sentence you to 12 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 4 days that you've done. Good luck to you, man. Please see the clerk. Okay, thank you, Mr. Pons.
For now, and I'll call you up to give your collection form, okay? Don't leave until I give you your collection.
So you want to?
I'll call you back up, just have a second.
Okay. You run the court cost? Okay.
If you're appointed, of course. This is a very interesting issue. I've really never run across something like this before, where they really have just out at the outset said, hey, man, if you blow and you're under, we're letting you go home, which is essentially what's happening here, right?
Yes, Judge.
Do you have any case law that says that it's okay to say that?
We have case law that says that the case that he used is overturned.
Judge, and we also have Sandoval v. State, which is from May of 2000 from the Court of Appeals of Texas, and it does.
You're saying May of 2000. When was this case?
I think that one's pretty old.
Oh, this is 95. Okay.
And it's
So
from
what case do you have? Can I
Sandoval.
see a copy?
Yep, yeah, you can keep that.
Oh, I think
You
I actually, Judge, may I? hand
No,
you-
no.
Okay.
They're talking.
Yeah, all right.
So Sandoval is almost the same thing as, or, I forgot the last name, but
It's the same thing.
I already know your position.
so.
I'm trying to get theirs.
It states the same thing. And the officer in this case with the facts stated, if you blow under, you can go home. And the Court of Appeals held that the court did not abuse their discretion by letting in the breath test, that it was statutorily, it was outside the statute outside the statute requirements of the DIC reading, but that it didn't
A court
Directly.
found that was not.
abuse of discretion from the trial court. Yes, Judge. For Sandoval.
Okay, so but they let it in.
Yes, Judge.
Right. But is there something that says if it's let out, it's an abuse of discretion?
That, no, it's just case by case basis at this point.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, have you seen the cases that they cited? Okay,
I know these cases. May I point something out to you?
sure.
Was that Navarro that you just read?
I think I'm looking at your Finian. I don't think it's on point. I mean, this is just whether this guy was more afraid about getting stuck by a needle, and that's why he wanted to blow as opposed to,
100%.
whereas this one's more on point where I think it go either way.
It's 100% on point. And then what I wanted to point out to you was, I believe that was Sandoval that you were just reading.
Yes, Sandoval.
Okay, so in the in the Sandoval case, the court said the only case we have found,
Right.
they'd found concerning this very specific issue, the validity of consent given the hearing consequences of passing fail on a breath test, is State v. Sandoval. So they recognize that Sandoval is still good case law. They keep saying that Erdman overruled this case, and that's simply not true. This is still good case law, and I might also add Sandoval is in the Court of Appeals of Texas of Austin, and the case that I cited to you is the 14th Court of Appeals here in Houston, Texas.
Response?
Judge, nothing from defense, from the state. It is really just
Yeah, I
something to consider for the court.
I'm ready to rule. I think it's totally coercive. Absolutely. I mean, there's just no, I've never seen something like it, statement that, so I'm going to get locked up regardless, right? If you do breathe and you blow under, I'll take you home. If you do blow over on breath, then you're getting locked up. All right, I'll blow. I mean, really. If you blow under, quote unquote, I'm taking you home. If you blow over, you're getting booked in. If you do blood, you're getting booked in regardless, because blood takes 3 weeks, a month to come back. Yeah, I think it's totally, yeah. All right, I'm going to grant your motion as far as the breath.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
And Your Honor, just to kind of maybe make this faster tomorrow, the state has also, we kind of touched on the motion in limine. And one of my motions in limine was to keep any testimony of the horizontal gaze nystagmus, the eye test, out of evidence because it was improperly performed twice. Once, the HGN that was given might as well have stood for here goes nothing, because that's kind of what it looked like. And then the second time, the horizontal gaze nystagmus test was just murdered.
We agreed to leave it out already.
So, okay, but I just wanted to clear that up for the record.
So just, admonish your officer accordingly. Hey, please don't get into this, and then that'll make it smooth. And then, yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
No,
Okay.
Judge, and we also came, just for the record, we did come to an agreement as to where the body cam would be redacted.
Okay.
And the portion that is redacted includes some statements that were on defense's motion for limine. So it becomes moot at that point.
Got it. Just make sure you watch beforehand so that you're okay with everything, so that when we do watch, it goes smooth and we don't,
Yeah, if I can get a copy of the one that they're going to offer into evidence today, I can
Do you
review it
have,
tomorrow.
do you have one
I
here?
do, I do not have a redacted portion of the body worn camera right now, but I can get it to you by the end of today.
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
can send it to
That's
you.
fine. I'm good with that.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks.
See you tomorrow. Counsel.
Madam President, document matter.
Yeah.
Cause number is.
Hi, Mr. Newley.
Good afternoon, Judge. So very busy today.
Almost done.
Cause number 2541895. That's Gascon.
Okay.
And Mr. Gascon is in the courtroom today. He needs to travel for his job and he's on the call-in, random call-in.
That him over there?
That is him.
Okay.
I
So
spoke-
there's no travel restriction. If he gets called in to take a test while he's gone, he's going to have to go to a Quest Diagnostics, wherever he's located. Again, they're all over the country. I don't want Punka City Labs. It's got to be Quest Diagnostics, so it's AskGlad certified. We know that it's a legitimate lab. He gets the results to you guys, you get it to them, and then we're
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Say it again?
You want me to have like cases that are over 150 days and those are turned?
No, 180. 180.
Oh, 180.
Yeah, just, if it's at 150, just ask, is discovery complete? Because if discovery is not complete at 150, then we got a problem.
You could probably.
Whose plea is this? Do you know?
This one, this is Bernardo's commissioner, the one that was like last minute, but then we set for tomorrow. We're just waiting on Plaza. He's in custody.
Okay,
And she should be on the way.
So I got the panel outside, so I'll give him 5 minutes just to use the restroom.
okay. If you want to go ahead and let the lawyers know in the trial case, that there should be in one of the witness rooms that the panel is here.
Okay.
See if they're ready,
Okay. Yes, sir.
please.
What time do you usually can be taking a break? I'm sure I'll be back.
I don't know, let's see what, I don't know if we're even gonna go because,
Oh.
so let me see
Okay.
if they can work something out. I don't know. Hi.
Yeah, good morning. Raquel Williams. It's a DWI. We just need to get medical records released. They're going to file the motion. I just wanted to approach to see if we can make note of it so that it can be done in between time instead of when we come back for that release.
You mean,
There's,
have medical records ready to give to them?
Yes, and we just need to file the motion.
Okay, so go ahead, file it, I'll sign it. As soon as you file it, I'll sign it. So it's old though, it's 184 days old. Do you have an offer?
we're supposed to be trying to get PTI on it. She did a TRAS the last.
So first apply, don't just get the TRAS because, there's a lot of changes that have been made. So I've seen more denials now. So,
She's already done the TRAS.
oh, she's already done it.
Yeah, I had her do it when she was here last time because her appearance had been waived, so.
Tell me, is blood test?
It should be blood from, it was a hospital visit, so, yeah, there was blood. It was like a 0.1.
What is it? What are the results?
7, I believe.
Results?
It's a 0.17.
I'm curious to see whether she's approved or if she needs a medication packet.
It was 10125.
What is it?
125.
Okay, so it's not.
I did have, mitigation. I need to scan everything and send it over. I got, it
Accident?
was an accident. She ran into the back of a tow vehicle,
I think
but
they're
still an accident.
still gonna need it.
Right.
It's just, they're gonna want insurance and all that stuff.
Right.
How much time do you want?
I can't hear you, Judge.
Shh. How much time do you want?
I don't, a couple weeks is fine with me. I don't need.
So
I'll be able
what I
to
would,
get the records.
so can you get the records to her today? Please file the motion. I'll send it now. That way we're ready with that. And then in the interim, we'll give you 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
But the next setting, if you can have everything turned in, and then that way we'll wait for a response, whether approved or denied. And I mean,
And then I have a question for you, Judge. Her license is valid now. Can she drive? She wanted me to ask for permission. Last time you told her to ask before doing anything. She's working, but Dad is taking her back and
I would
forth.
ask is just make sure that she has liability insurance, right? Make sure she has car insurance. If she has car insurance, then I'm okay
Dad
with
told
it.
me he
As long
put
as
her
the
on.
license is clear and she has insurance, I'm okay with it.
Just want to document it. It's fine.
Alicia, on Raquel Williams, we ordered no driving. Can you confirm with her now? Ms. Moore? Can you confirm with her now? Does she have insurance now?
Dad replaced her on, I confirmed with him. He was here last setting with her and they were ready to confirm it then.
So they have car insurance?
It's not, let me find out if he actually, because I told him that last time, judge is gonna want to know you have it already.
As long as she has car insurance, I'll amend the conditions to allow her to drive.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And then after that, if she does, let Felicia know, and then we'll amend the conditions to allow her to drive, and then just get a reset with Billy, and then, yeah. Mr. Butler, are you able to work it out or no?
Work out some of the